Okay, this one is a sauce. So we need this one. And our very simple toppings. What is this?
A cheese. What
Cheese.
smells like that cheese? What's this?
This is, what is this, Javi?
It's a hot dog.
Hot dog. Okay, how about this?
It's an apple.
Carrot.
Only that's the most I do like. Only this is only carrot.
These are the only ingredients that we need. Okay, so Javi, so Kuya, you have to do that one there, and this is for Javi. Okay, Javi, and then you have to spread, okay? Okay, Javi, do it. Spread it, spread. Okay, spread it. Go spread all over, spread. Yay. So you already washed your hands, right? You're done. Okay,
But make sure there's no sauce on your fingers.
And then I think we need more. We need more.
Can I have one? My pizza looks
Funny. Oops. Hey, good job, Javi. To put some cheese. Okay, take some cheese, Javi, and put here. Okay, spread. More, Javi, more.
Make
Okay,
all my
spread.
spice, my awesome pizza. No. Can eat
Okay,
it.
next, more cheese. Okay, here, Javi, this side here. This side, put some cheese here. Here. Cheese, Javi, here. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's so
And
fun.
then, super fun, right?
This looks like a food challenge. That looks like the spicy noodle challenge. It not looks like it.
Next, carrots, Javi. Put
I'm
the
not done.
carrots. Okay. Here, Javi, put here, this side.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, you can do it, Javi. Go, more.
Oh no, I'm not done.
Here, this side, here. This side, Javi, here. Okay, more here, this side, here. Put more. Here. Not there, here. Next is, you have to put the sausage. Okay, Javi, sausage.
And you
Put
can
the
have
sausage, Javi.
sausage.
Go take. No, this one. Hot dog.
Okay, that's too much. I don't need more. Yeah. They're yucky.
What yucky?
They're yucky.
Why yucky?
That's why we have dog.
Okay, put more.
We need more decoration.
Yeah, we need to finish all of it. Okay. Yes, let's see. This pizza is yummy.
Try.
It's Javi or Jewelson?
Mine will be the yummy. That's yours. Yours will be yucky.
No.
Yes, you will. Check out my awesome pizza.
Okay, so we are all done. So we need to put it in the oven. Okay, we need to put it this. Javi, where? Where are you going to put it?
I'll be with awesome.
Okay, show them our pizza.
Look, which one is yummy? My
Looks
pizza
yummy.
or your ugly pizza?
Okay, we're going to put our pizza in the oven. Okay, let's close it and 20 minutes. Hey, here is our... Find the order.
Don't touch it.
A few moments later.
Let's wait.
Yeah, it looks like an orca fish.
Happy, this is your pizza.
Where's my pizza? I want it.
Oops.
My pizza. I want my own pizza, not yours.
No, it's not hot.
Yeah.
Uy!
It's hot.
No, okay, go. Here. Okay, go. Go, yum.
It's not hot, mommy.
Yummy. Oh, sige, go.
They're so hot.
Good. Say good.
Mommy,
hold it.